Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to calculate long division. This easy method helps you divide larger numbers into smaller, more manageable sections. It's a fundamental arithmetic skill that reveals how many times one number, the divisor, fits into another, the dividend. We'll walk through the process step by step, using simple multiplication and subtraction to find our answer. First, let's set up your long division problem correctly. You'll place the number being divided, known as the dividend, inside the long division bracket. The number you are dividing by, called the divisor, goes outside to the left of the bracket. This clear arrangement is crucial for organizing your numbers and starting the calculation process smoothly. Now, let's perform the division. Begin by dividing the first digit or first few digits of the dividend by the divisor. Write the result, your quotient, above the dividend. Next, multiply that quotient by the divisor and write the product below the dividend. Subtract this product, then bring down the next digit from the dividend to form a new number and repeat the entire process. Finally, let's understand the remainder and your final answer. The remainder is the number left over after you've completed all the division steps and can no longer divide evenly. If your remainder is 0, the division is exact. Your complete answer will be the quotient you found, along with any remainder, often expressed as a fraction or decimal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.